I'm going to show you how you can rapidly create Airtable records by scanning barcodes or QR codes. I'll be using this tool by miniextensions.com. So the idea here is, let's say you want to, scan inventory and you want to scan like 20 things in a row, and you want to, they're standing right there, and you just want to hit them pretty fast and get these records created, sort of like how it's done in grocery stores. So what we've done here is we made a tool where you will be able to scan things very fast. You just use your camera very fast, and then those records would get added to your table. So let's say in my case, this field, those QR codes or the barcode numbers will start popping in as new records pretty fast. And we also give you the chance to edit them in case you want to do that. And one thing to note here is you can even use this on like linked records. So for example, if you have a linked records field and you want your QR or barcode value to be the primary value of the linked record, you know how you could copy this value here and drop it here, and a linked record would be created with that value? That our extension will do the same exact thing. So if you scan a barcode and this is your field, those linked records, so each barcode would automatically have a special linked records associated with it. It's just a handy little trick if you need it. So I'll show you now how you could set this up. So start by filling in your API key, follow the blue URL to find that, then select your base and then select the table. Next, you want to select the field that will be used for scanning. So this is the field where the scanned value will be saved to this field. And like I said, this could be multiple types of fields, but if you're using a barcode, if you're using a text, if you're using a lookup, a linked record, all those will work. And then the last thing here is we get the chance to enable editing or not. If you want to enable editing, I'm just going to do enabling editing here to show you what that would look like. And I'm going to include all the fields for editing. And the editing experience is through the mini extensions form, and it has full support for all the Airtable field types. So I'm going to save here, and then I'll open up the share URL. So I'll get this screen right here, and then I'll click Start Scanning. You'll allow the camera, and then I'll scan this pretty fast. You'll see that record getting loaded and created over there, and then I can keep scanning, and I can pretty much just keep doing this very fast. Like I don't have to stop. And yeah, so if I wanted to edit a record, I could hit edit over here, and then when editing, I can see the full mini extensions experience, full support for all the Airtable field types, and I can just do it just as fast as that, and then I'll click save, and it's automatically saved instantly. And then I can stop scanning here, and I can examine these records